how to get credit balance on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can earn credit balance on the Temu app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to get credit balance, first of all I will tell you what it is. You want to simply open the Temu application here. Once you launch the Temu app, make sure that you're signed into the account. Then you're going to see this type of interface as you can find it. Then what you want to do is you want to tap this little home option here. Once you tap the account icon here, you're going to find the option called credit balance and then just tap on it. Currently you can see I don't have any credit balance. Now your credit balance is something that is going to increase based on your activities on the Shein app. The more you purchase, the more products you get, the more products and the more reviews you get, the more your credit balance. That is why it is called credit balance. The more loyal you are to the app, the more you purchase from it, the more your credit balance is going to be increased, and that's basically how you earn. There is no any type of shortcut, there isn't any type of other things. If you also tap the I button that you can find on the top right hand side of the screen, it is also going to tell you exactly that says what is Temu credit balance and where to check your credit balance, how to use your credits, how you can pay with it, how you can withdraw cash from your credit balance, and so on. It's not that you can get it, it's just that you have to earn it. So hope this video helped you understand the differences. We hope the video was really helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.